Hi, this is Brad McNamee, President, Warehouse Rack and Shelf. For over 25 years, Rack and Shelf has provided the lowest prices on high-quality, new and used material handling and storage products to warehouses and distribution centers. Today I'd like to talk about our product, Selective Pallet Rack, also known as Warehouse Rack. In order to save you money on freight, we ship our rack from strategically located facilities across the United States, including St. Louis, Missouri, Chicago, Illinois, Middletown, PA, Sumter, South Carolina, Dallas, Texas, and San Diego, California. A section of pallet rack consists of 2 upright frames and adjoining beams, 2 beams per shelf level. This is a freestanding starter unit, also known as a section of pallet rack. Pallet rack comes in starter units and add-on units that share common uprights to create a row. Advantages include ease of installation. This teardrop pallet rack is very easy to install. No nuts and bolts, the beams just slide into place, and you'll hear a clicking sound as the factory installed auto locks. Secure it to the upright. Uprights have a universal teardrop design. It's called teardrop because the holes are shaped like teardrops. Almost all the factories make a teardrop style pallet rack, and most are interchangeable. Common upright heights include 8 foot, 12 foot, 16 foot, 20 foot, and 24 foot. Common upright depths include 36-inch, 42-inch, 44-inch, and 48-inch. We can also supply up to 60-inch depth. Common beam lengths include 8 foot, 9 foot, 10 foot, and 12 foot. 8 foot and 9 foot beams are probably the most common and allow you to store 2 pallets side by side on a beam level. 12 foot beams are designed for storing 3 pallets wide per beam level. From a cost standpoint, it's more economical to store 2 pallets wide on an 8 foot beam unless your pallets weigh 1,000 pounds or less. As a rule of thumb, 8 foot beams have approximately 1,000 to 1,200 pounds capacity per inch of beam face. This 8 foot beam has a 3-inch beam face with 3,000 pounds capacity per level. Beam capacities range from 2,200 pounds, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and 6,000 pounds per level or greater. Factory bolted bracing. Something I'd like to point out. We can supply these upright frames with either welded or bolted bracing. Bolted bracing is the newest innovation in pallet rack design. It's become universally accepted, and the factory's engineers say it's as safe and secure as welded bracing. The true advantage of bolted bracing is the cost savings and the ease of replacing damaged bracing in the future. You can be sure that the uprights will arrive on your dock with the bracing fully assembled. Pallet rack accessories include row spacers that join uprights together in a back-to-back row. Anchors, check with your local building officials for their requirements. Leveling shims for uneven floors. Floor-anchored column protectors. Post protectors, also known as deflectors. End-of-aisle protectors that protect the most vulnerable part of your rack, the ends of your rack rows. Wire mesh decking. Pallet support crossbars. Wood decking. Solid smooth metal decking. Corrugated steel decking. And 50% open rain deck or punch deck. If you'd like to talk more about your pallet rack requirement, please contact me or one of my knowledgeable salespeople at 800-763-9020 or visit our website at www.ridg-u-rak.com. andshelf.com.